Big up my place first and foremost, you know, Papi, Landlease, Motown, Riverview, CM Speed, you know what I mean? Right, that's the St. Andrew where I hail from. Musical life, you know what I mean? That's our bird feet and we go feet, you know what I mean? We come for this, man. Just play the beat, make we do it. I mean, I say, yeah, man, I'm an old schooler from what? 1986. Super Cat, big up 82, you know? Some is a wicked. Some is a wicked and wild, a tired man style. Some go check my profile, and I run a profile. Some boy style spoil them in a exile. But my Johnny Bottini shine like a ceramic tile. Old school name brand, who know we wear them the old school name brand. Me not seen them, so what me to the dockers and the car they right pants them. The song ya go come like the national anthem. Pull up the bubble socks, it on the trucks, a trouble fox. Tell them some me at them all give me 3 hearts. Someone beat the felt and beat the fit, rock this snap back. Tell them said this suit match but the thing short. But Bob, you know Sky Pusha live, you know what I mean people. 100% talent.
Hey, big up guys, Sky Pusha, me I tell you, where am go find that rhythm here? Where am go find that rhythm here? And not every artist can, but every artist supposed to can perform on this type of rhythm. Sky Pusha, trust me, touch it brother. You know what I mean? The man got the late track and an old school beat. So you have know what kind of artist is Rob, yeah, so? Nero Judges, let me hear what you have to say.
All right, for me, still...
Turn down the beat.
Yeah, for me, still, it's a win for me, because, you know, normally when you hear some song nowadays, they talk about either clothes, shoes, and the chain and the markings, and it just get played out after a while. Yo, this man called some brand new, I'm here in a long time, brother, like, yo, and pipe my fam, you understand? So that's the next round for me, right there. You know what I mean? So big up yourself and yeah, well presented. We never did expect that one there still, but well presented, you see me?
All right, we're really excited for the artists, you don't know. Tash, yeah, I'm going to let in the female them. Yeah, how am I going? How am look? I'm sound.
I feel like I was in school, old school. And you know what was good for me? The clarity. And all the man sit down on the rhythm like a lizard on a limb. On a road.
All right, so big it up, Sky Pusha, big up yourself. You mean hopefully to see you in the competition, because I think this is the final competition. All right, so that was Sky Pusha. Big up yourself, brother.